The recent release of Aespa's new Sonic AI-themed music video has captivated audiences with its chaotic and surreal visuals, transporting viewers to another world. One particularly intriguing aspect is the outro, featuring animated still portrait photos of each girl using AI tools. This adds an extra layer of AI and futuristic vibes to the video. Today, I'll guide you on how to recreate this talking photo effect using Virbo. To get started, you'll need access to Virbo. You can either download the app version through the link in the description or directly access the online tool. Virbo offers limited free exports for new users, so feel free to give it a try. In this case, I will show you how to do it online. Fast and easy. To begin, let's gather 4 high-quality headshots similar to those in the music video. Ensure that each photo is facing the front for the best result. Then, we upload the photos to the Virbo Talking Photo tool online. We select Audio Script, upload the music file, select the language, and click Apply. The AI translator tool will parse the audio file into text for you to edit as subtitles. Now you will get a perfect lip-syncing talking photo video. Besides Audio Script, you can also input the desired text and choose a voiceover for the portrait photo to lip-sync. Click on Create Video, and the talking avatar video will be saved in My Creations. And that's it! Now try Virbo and make your music video in seconds.